Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the hierarchical clustering problem in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you see, consider the following set of 6 one-dimensional data points. The data points are 18, 22, 25, 42, 27, 43. Merge the clusters using the minimum distance and update the proximity matrix. So here we will be using the proximity matrix. How to fill the values in the proximity matrix means this is a row, this is the column. So in the row we must write them in their increasing order. So we must write the given data points in their increasing order. First will be 18, next 22, 25, 27, 42, 43. So in the row also we will be writing like that only. 18, 22, 25, 27, 42, 43. Now let's fill the value. So in the diagonal elements you will be filling 0. This is the shortcut. Why means you will be finding the difference. You will be finding the difference and that must be in the positive value. So what you will be doing? In the two values which will be smaller, it will be subtracted from the bigger value. So I will show. 18 minus 18 will be 0, 22 minus 22, 0, 25 minus 25, 0, 27 minus 27, 0, 42 minus 42, 0, 43 minus 43, 0. So I said diagonal elements will be 0. Next let's proceed. 22 minus 18. You must subtract the smaller value 18 from the bigger value 22 to get the positive value which you will be filling here. 22 minus 18 will be 4. 25 minus 18 will be 7. 27 minus 18 will be 9. 42 minus 18 will be 24. 43 minus 18 will be 25. Next, again another trick is leave the 0 and what you wrote in the row you just write in the column itself. 4, 7, 9, 24, 25. So if you do here also, 22 minus 18, 4, 25 minus 18, 7, 27 minus 18, 9, 42 minus 18, 24, 43 minus 18, 25, like that. So just fill in the row and just copy it in the column also. 22 is there, 25 is there, which is bigger? 25. 25 minus 22, 3. 27 minus 22, 5. 42 minus 22, 20. 43 minus 22, 21. Just copy them in the column also. 3, 5, 20, 21. Next, here you want to fill 27 is there, here 25. Bigger value is 27. 27 minus 25, 2. 42 minus 25, 17. 43 minus 25, 18. Just copy them in the column also. Next, 42 minus 27, it will be 15. 43 minus 27, it will be 16. Just copy them. Next here, 42 is there, here 43. 43 minus 42 will be 1. 43 minus 42 will be 1. So just keep in mind you must fill the positive value itself. So you will be subtracting the smaller value among the two values from the bigger value. Now if you see other than 0, which is the smallest element, because we are using the minimum distance to go further for the clustering. So 1 is the smaller element. Where it is there? In 42 it is there, in 43 it is there. 42 we are having 1, 43 we are having 1. Here if you see in the row also, 42 row we are having 1, 43 row also we are having 1. So what we will be doing is, we will be combining or clustering the 42nd, 42 and 43 row. We will be combining the or clustering the 42 and 43. So now let's write the new one. 18, 22, 25, 27. Here 42 and 43 is combined. 42, 43. Here also 18, 22, 25, 27, 42, 43. Now same value, diagonal will be 0. Next, 22 minus 18, 4. 25 minus 18, 7. 27 minus 18, 9. 42 you must take. Among 42 and 43, you will be taking 42 because we must find the minimum distance. So 42 minus 18, 24. So just copy them in the column also. 4, 7, 9, 24. Next, 25 minus 22, 3. 27 minus 22, 5. 42 minus 22, it will be 20. Just copy them in the column also. Next, 42 minus 25 will be 17. So just copy them. Next, 42 minus 27, it will be 15. So just copy it. Now if you see, except 0 which is the smallest number, that is 2. 2 is present in 25th and 27th column. It is present in 27th and 25th row. So what we will be doing? We will be clustering the 25th and 27th row and column together. Now if you combine them, 18, 22, next 25 and 27 are combined. So 25 comma 27. Next 42 and 43 are combined. 42 comma 43. So here also 18, 22, 25 comma 27, 42 comma 43. Now diagonal elements will be 0. 22 minus 18 will be 4. 25 and 27 are there. So you will be choosing 25 to get the minimum distance. 25 minus 18 will be 7. 42 and 43 are there. You will be choosing 42 to get the minimum distance. 42 minus 18 will be 24. Next, just copy them in the column. 25 minus 22 will be 3. 42 minus 22 will be 20. 3, 20. 42 is there here, 25 and 27. You must take the least value, that is the smallest value, 25. 42 minus 25. 42 minus 25 will be 17. Just copy it in the column also. Now, except 0, which is the smaller number, that is 3. 3 is present in 25, 27 and 22. Here 3 is present in 25, 27 and 22. So we will be combining or clustering their rows and their column respectively. Now if you combine, 18 will be left, 22, 25 and 27 belongs to one cluster, and 42 comma 43 is another cluster. 18, 22, 25, 27 is one cluster, 42 comma 43. Now diagonal elements 0. Among 22, 25 and 27 you will be choosing the least number, that is 22. 22 minus 18 will be 4. Among 42 and 43 you will be choosing 42. 42 minus 18 will be 24. Next, just copy them in the column also. Here 42 is there, here 22, 25, 27. You must choose the least number, that is 22. 42 minus 22 will be 20. Here also I will be writing 20. Except 0, which is the smallest element we are having, that is 4, which is present in 22, 25, 27 and the 18th column, and it is present in their rows also. And it is present in their rows also, that is 22, 25, 27 and 18th row also it is having 4 in the common. So we will be combining the rows and their columns respectively. Now if you combine 18, 22, 25, 27 will be of one cluster, 42, 43 will be another cluster. Here 18, 22, 25, 27 is one cluster and 42, 43 will be another cluster. Now diagonals will be 0. Here the least number is 42, here least number is 18. 42 minus 18 will be 24. Just write it here. So if you see, other than 0, we are having only 1. that is 24. We will be combining all this itself. So we must write the clustering chart or the merging chart. Let's write it. So at the last step we must merge the clusters. If you see at the starting of the question, which two letters or the which two clusters we merged? We merged 42 and 43 at the starting. So we merged 42 and 43 at the starting. So it must be in the increasing order itself. Next what we did? We merged 25 and 27 at the next step. 25 and 27. Next we merged 22, 25, 27 in the next step. Next, at the last step, we merged 18, 22, 25, 27. So, at the final step, we merged all of them because except 0, the only element which is left is 24 and it will be the smallest except 0. So, we will be merging those two also. So, this is the merging of the clusters using the minimum distance and updating the proximity matrix so that the proximity matrix will be smaller as possible, that is it will be clustered or combined at the last step. So hope you understood how to solve the hierarchical clustering problem in artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.